Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a brand new tool called Funnel Blaze. If you are someone who wants to build high conversation sales funnels without spending crazy monthly fees, stay till the end. I'll break down everything you need to know, that good, the bad, and whether it's the right fit for you. What is Funnel Blaze? So, what exactly is Funnel Blaze? In simple words, it's a drag and drop funnel tool that lets you create landing pages, opt in forms, sales funnels, and even automated emails, all under one dashboard. It's designed for beginners, solopreneurs, digital marketers, and small business owners who want fast, easy results without paying for expensive platforms like ClickFunnels. Key features. Here's what you get with Funnel Blaze. The first thing, simple drag and drop builder, no coding or design headache, done for you templates. It creates funnels in minutes even if you have no designing skills. And built-in email autoresponder, you can connect leads and email them automatically. And analyticals dashboard, track views, leads, and conversations. And the final one, you can get the commercial license in their front end version as well, so you can rebrand it and make it as your own. It's basically an all-in-one system for beginners who want speedy and simplicity. My experience using it, I tried Funnel Blaze myself, and here what I noticed. Setting up my first funnel took less than 30 minutes, and the templates are clean, professional, and easy to edit. And the final thing, the learning curve is super low compared to other funnel tools. But I also felt the platform is not meant for complex funnel or heavy custom integrations. It's best for straightforward funnels like lead gen or smart product sales. So if you guys who's looking to do an e-commerce automation and page connections, you might explore some other featured funnels. Pros and cons. Pros: very beginner friendly, affordable one-time payment instead of monthly fees, good for freelancers and small businesses. Cons: limited advanced customization compared to bigger tools. Email automation is basic, not for complex sequences. Final verdict. So, who is Funnel Blaze perfect for? Beginners who's launching their first funnel, freelancers offering funnel building services, small businesses who need quick and easy sales pages. So if you guys are from beginner and intermediate level, you can take advantage of it, so you can land your first client or else start your business from the initial beginning stage. You can take it can save lots of your time. If you fit any of these, Funnel Blaze is a smart, low risk investment. I'll leave you the official link in the description, plus special bonuses if you grab it through my link. Click the link below to explore Blaze Funnel. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest review. Catch you in the next one.